olden days it used to be different, but they had that ritual. But nowadays, like it is being celebrated like like Mela, like Kumbh Ka Mela. So that's why like now you get to see like the way we live.
Exactly.
Like nowadays, so a lot of things has been replaced. Like there's a town. No? We live in town, and this is villages. So you can see like in our town we use all the like basic amenities. But right now, like there's only firewood and everything. Like, it's old ages and everything now.
So I've been into Nagaland and I saw a couple of more tribes like Mishmi and all. But I found this village is quite friendly. Quite friendly, and not just friendly, they're very welcoming. Like, please come and see how we live. And that's really very good.
Yeah, it's also like we have been discovered very lately.
Okay.
So like we are very small group of like in Arunachal. I think Apatani is one of the major tribes.
Yes.
But still it's one of the smallest.
Smallest tribe.
Yeah. So like we like being recognized by other people.
Yes.
Like, that's why we like welcome other people a lot. We like a lot of us like showcasing our culture and everything. Especially because in Arunachal there's like our tribe especially we don't have written scripture.
Okay.
So when people from outside they come and like they document all these things, it gets like it's kind of like preserving our culture.
Exactly. So there's a two-way to preserve anything. Yeah. Either you contain it in a small area, don't let other people go, and it will continue. Yeah. And the other way is thrive it. Yeah. So the way you have chosen is to thrive it. Let people welcome, let people come, see, and this is how you are connecting with other people, and other people are coming to know about you. Yeah. It's really nice.
So you are?
I'm from Pune.
Pune.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I just came to see how you people are doing, and I really like this place. And you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
And this is pork, right?
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And it's like
it's smoked and fermented also.
so first you ferment it, then after a week or some.
Then we smoke it, and then like at last we like roast it.
Barbecue kind of.
Right. And then we boil it, and then at last we serve. It's like a customary thing in Yoko. This is called, I think, this is called kaji.
Gajin.
Kaji. But there's another like this same term has another meaning.
Apatani Kajin.
Apatani kaji. We use this. It's what do you say? The soup.
Okay.
We use it and cook the rice with it.
Okay.
And it's a delicacy we use in Yoko. Once all of this is done, then we distribute this among ourselves.
So I came to know like you guys are hosting this festival. Not hosting kind of. So you prepare food for entire month for whoever is coming to you. You give them drink, you give them food, right?
So it's like actually like a rotation thing, no?
Yes.
Like in nowadays due to the road connectivity, all the villages are very close to us.
Yes.
But before it was not there, and like so that's why we were divided into like three groups, three groups of villages. This side it's I think Dubo and Puja. We have our Yoko this year. No? After next year, it will be I think it will be the Hong village. That time we will go there, and they will serve us. And then again it's there's another group. It's Hari and Bulla. They'll have their Myoko. Then we go there. So it's like
it's a really good way to during the gathering kind of.
Yeah. And on 25. 24 and 25 we call our ancestral friends. Now like in olden days our great grandfathers they used to be friends. but now it is like, like due to what do you call it? Modernity, we can say that everyone has got job and everything. We go out.
So not all people are available.
Yeah. So we cannot connect also properly. But then on 24 and 25, we call them.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a great time to mingle again.
Yeah, we get mingled. We get to know that their grandparents were friends with our grandparents.
Yes.
And then we have this like what do you say?
Yes.
Kind of Hindi mein bole
Yes.
to Antakshari.
Antakshari. You play Antakshari.
Yeah.
Great.
Antakshari, and we serve food and everything, na? And then we exchange gifts also.
Okay.
Nowadays we use money, but before it used to be like still we use this
Ornaments.
meat.
Meat.
Yeah, meat and this. What is it? Bona. Bona is it's what like this beer is made of. Fermented millet and fermented rice. We exchange bona, we exchange meat and some of money.
Acha.
And like yeah, that is it's on 24, 25. So that is the day for our ancestral friends.
Okay.
Bayu, इसे दीजिए तो हुआ.
It's really good to see it. Thank you. Thank you, sister.
Thank you. Very, very thank you.
So you live here or you live somewhere else?
So
थोड़ा जनता है.
I live here only. It's like this is our home.
Your native place,
Yeah. Then but we live there in this town, Apoli.
Apoli.
Yeah. But for me, like due to my work, I travel here in Itanagar.
So what exactly you are doing as a profession?
I am a filmmaker. Like this, I'm a small filmmaker, independent filmmaker.
Okay. Good.
Here, I just started last year. So
Like documentaries kind of.
documentaries and fiction films mostly. But because the industry is growing, so we don't have the fund. No? That's why we have to stick with short films.
I hope I should see some movies from your Apatani tribe.
Yeah, I recently, like last year, I made this
Can you tell me any couple of documentaries or movies which you have made so I can share with my friends?
yeah.
थोड़ा
अच्छा आपको हिंदी आती है? You speak Hindi?
जनता है.
थोड़ा जानते हो? Good.
Our Hindi is different.
अच्छा. Absolutely. Everybody's his pronunciation is little different.
They
Yeah.
have their own accent.
Right.
So we don't know if people outside like, but I've been to Delhi and my friends they understand it.
अच्छा.
Even I know Hindi properly.
So any couple of movies you made?
Oh, yeah, it's on YouTube.
Okay.
I have a channel.
So just tell me your channel name. I'll go and I'll.
My channel name, I think it's not. You have to type in my name.
So spell it. I'll tap it.
Okay, it's Mudang Nobin. MUDANG NOBIN. Would
Okay.
you remember?
This is why I'm recording.
Okay.
So I can repeat it 10 times and I can correct it myself.
MUDANG NOBIN. If you type in the whole name, then my project. It's
Okay.
not much. It's just like small, 3-4 minutes more.
Sure. I'll have a watch.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. My own name?
Nobin.
Nobin.
Yes.
Rahul. Yeah.
Kaul.
Rahul.
Rahul.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.